a child. He's bleeding all over the place. We're at North Olmsted, Giant Eagle. I don't know what happened to him.
Today, we delve into a horrific incident that occurred in Ohio, USA. An event that is not only a family tragedy but also a lesson in law and public safety. On June 3rd, the Giant Eagle supermarket in North Olmsted, Ohio, a woman named Bionca Ellis committed a brutal attack, resulting in a mother and her 3-year-old son becoming victims. The incident began as Margot Wood and her son Julian were leaving the store and heading towards their car. Bionca Ellis, 32 years old, followed the mother and son from inside the supermarket to the parking lot. Suddenly, she pulled out a knife and attacked them savagely, leaving both of them collapsed on the ground.
Medic, come in here and relieve him. Yeah, from there. Medic, come in and relieve him of his chest compression. Oh, yeah. You gotta take him back. You got this. Get him on out. Go take him to a car right now.
Emergency calls flooded in as horrified witnesses described the terrifying scene. One woman tried her best to recount what she saw while paramedics rushed to provide aid.
There is a child. He's bleeding all over the place. We're at North Olmsted, Giant Eagle. I don't know what happened to him.
I didn't hear anything. All I heard was just screaming, and the lady grabbed her child up out the cart, and that's when it fell over, and they collapsed over here, and the lady just continued to walk off.
Margot Wood was stabbed in the shoulder but tried to protect her son. However, Julian sustained severe injuries to his face and back. Despite the paramedics' best efforts, Julian did not survive and passed away at the hospital.
Go, go, go! Go! We're gonna get our pads on. Okay. Okay.
Bionca Ellis was arrested shortly after, still holding the knife used in the attack. Police reported that she had obtained the knife from a nearby thrift store before the attack.
Copy, I will be on.
You got a med kit? Okay. You over on the side? You're good. Who's got a med kit? Are you bleeding? Are you hurt anywhere?
10-4, female in custody, 1504.
Nice, right there.
5217 MO.
Let's get her up. Here you go, man. Hold you up, okay?
10-4,
grab your other arm.
5211. Do you have someone there with you?
We're going to lift you up, okay?
Yeah,
Sit up, okay? 1, 2.
In court, Bionca Ellis faced multiple serious charges, including aggravated murder, premeditated murder, attempted murder, aggravated assault, tampering with evidence, and theft. If convicted, Ellis faces a lengthy prison sentence.
3-year-old Julian Wood died of his injuries. His mother was taken to the hospital and is expected to be okay. Ellis appeared via video and then in person. The father of the boy addressed her in court.
The Wood family was devastated by the irreplaceable loss. They shared memories of Julian, a boy with a radiant smile, a love for dinosaurs, and an innocent charm. The community's support has been overwhelming.
There's nothing that could ever replace my son, or anything that my wife and I, even our other kids, are going through. It's horrendous.
From this case, we can draw important lessons about public safety and the law. Enhanced surveillance and security measures in public areas can help prevent similar incidents in the future. Thank you for watching today's video. Remember to always stay vigilant and protect your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.